that I was doing a research about Lupita and the actress from Kenya, and I discovered that Lupita Nyong'o.
Jesus! Funke!
Yes.
Funke!
She's just 36.
Get out of here.
Continue.
I went to a bar yesterday and I told the bartender, guy, give me 2 bottles of Zobo. Do you know what he said? He said, sir, now only one dey cool.
Can you fuck off?
Oh my God.
Do you know what I told him? I said, bring it like that. I no care.
How about we hear of this?
Make use of your brain now.
Yes, okay.
Continue.
Myself and my friend Roberto, we went to see a movie yesterday. After we finished the movie, we were eating popcorn, going to the car park to leave. We got there and all of a sudden, we couldn't find his car. I got very angry. I went to the security officer's lodge, I said, Oga Security, can I see the CCTV footage of the car park? I mean, I wanna see the video.
Will you keep quiet?
Of the car park. Can I shock you? I looked at it very well. But my brothers and sisters, I didn't see anything. Naso Roberto Carloso.
What?
Hey! Madam, don't angry me.
So sad.
Continue.
I went to visit Don Jazzy at the new Maven's headquarters, to celebrate with him and, felicitate with them.
Okay.
So when I was leaving, I picked a t-shirt, I picked the pen, then I picked the bell, as per souvenir now. Guess what Don Jazzy said?
I don't know.
He said, my guy, I beg, no carry the bell. I said, why, my guy, Don Jazzy, why? He said, I beg, no carry the bell because...
Run.
This one is raw.
Na carry the bell, oh.
Akaya.
Na carry the bell, oh. Na carry the bell, oh.
You are mad
Can you fuck away?
Bye-bye.